Loc is a water-based urethane sealer that can be used on multiple substrates. It's also available in several finishes, including Cobble Loc with grip. As a two-part sealer, each Cobble Loc kit comes with a part A and B that are combined and then mixed with water. Part B comes in a 1 gallon tin. That is your part B. Underneath the part B is going to be your part B holder or hammock, and inside of that is your part A. Once you've mixed those products for 3 minutes, then you would separate that mixture into a separate bucket with even amounts. From there, we're going to add water into each of them at a 1-to-1 ratio. Cobble Loc is mixed and ready to apply.